I am back with another analysis, this time on USDJPY, and we again start from the weekly. Just quickly go over it. We can see an impulsive wave just to this above historical top here, and then after that a reversal as a corrective structure to 50% of the previous impulsive wave on the support zone, but after that we are seeing that it has been reversed to this weekly strong resistance level. But jumping into the daily chart, taking a closer look to this corrective structure, we can see that it has been created an ABC form, which the C is almost an extended impulsive regular wave, which we can obviously see the 5 waves inside it. But also here at the end we are seeing a daily dragonfly doji candle, which I will come back to that shortly. But let's just take a closer look to these waves, these bullish and these corrective structure. After that, jumping into the 4-hour, if I reset the view, zoom out a little bit, we can see price after finishing this corrective structure reach out to the strong weekly resistance as we discussed, but after that we are seeing a reversal to 78% of Fibonacci level. Also remember that daily dragonfly, you can see also an hourly hammer candlestick pattern on this 4-hour time frame, as well as the support zone. As we are saying, it was sitting in the previous one, but not the only one. Also we are seeing a divergence in this corrective structure as price creating a lower lows, but on MACD we are seeing higher lows here. But these are not the only reversal ones. We can also see an inverted head and shoulder pattern here. But jumping into the hourly, I can actually take a closer look to this corrective structure to find out more reversal signals. We can see that it has formed an ABC, which the A is the regular impulsive wave, but after B it has been created an ending diagonal, which you can see the waves has been I have actually indicated them how I have counted them. But just remember, ending diagonals, the impulsives are not five wave structure, but a corrective structure, which means that the A itself is ABC, the C is also an ABC, and also the fifth wave is also has the form of the ABC, and which all saying that this ending diagonal just finished its momentum, this bearish momentum, to the 78% as we discussed, and also creating a form of a falling wedge, which another indication of the reversal. And finally we are seeing a breakout. However, after this breakout, since the corrective structure was to 78%, a huge amount of correction, I'm expecting a lower momentum. So I'm expecting a little bit of a retest to the previous structure, to this previous zone as a support, and then continuation to the top, since we have seen a lot of indication of the bullish momentum on this chart as the short term. But coming back to the 4-hour, since I have seen a dragonfly doji on daily and also a hammer on this hourly, as well as I mentioned 78% and the support zone, I'm expecting a more even more bullish momentum to the top to create a new higher high after this one. But as a long term, also coming back to the weekly where we start, I'm expecting that this momentum might be continued, as we can see a very powerful green candle as the current week. If it remains as such, or if it moves just upper as I'm expecting, so we might see a continuation of this important resistance level. However, in the future, yeah, there is a possibility as the breakout of continuing its momentum to the top, but I'm expecting as well just a reversal to some sort of gaining more firepower if it wants to break this resistance zone. So I would like to keep these both scenarios open for the very long term on a weekly. However, do not forget about that. Again, this short momentum just returning back as the retest for this breakout. This is not something that you should miss if you want to take any action on this chart. Anyhow, this was our analysis for the USDJPY for the week 13. I hope you enjoy it. If you please put your comments below, I would be grateful to see what you are thinking about the content. But until next analysis, thank you for watching and have a nice day.